Embarking on the journey of fitness and health maintenance is undeniably challenging, and the real struggle often lies in maintaining focus on one's goals amid various distractions. So, today, we bring you a curated selection of 5 free health and fitness apps that deserve a spot in your wellness journey without costing a dime. Daily Yoga. Firstly, Daily Yoga emerges as a holistic yoga training app, seamlessly blending fitness and meditation. Boasting a repertoire of over 100 classes, it extends benefits to both the mind and body. Particularly welcoming for beginners, the app offers a plethora of beginner-friendly yoga tutorials. As users progress, there's the option to unlock more advanced courses through a pro plan. Noteworthy features include scheduling, progress tracking, and a community platform for sharing yoga experiences with fellow users. Jeffit. Moving on to Jeffit, it establishes itself as a reliable companion for gym goers. The app facilitates the tracking and planning of workouts. Users can diligently monitor their progress, create personalized workout plans, and delve into detailed performance analysis. With pre-registered workout plans and customization options, Jeffit accommodates various fitness preferences. Logging training activities, whether at home or the gym, is made simple. The app further enables users to track weight and body measurements and set new fitness goals accordingly. Fujicate. Fujicate is a calorie tracker that provides you with a platform to track your daily food intake to help you reach your goals. Although Fujicate does track your macronutrient intake, carb, protein, and fat, if you have the premium version of the app was mainly designed to be a calorie tracker. This is demonstrated by the fact that your macronutrient intake doesn't even appear in your food log, only in a daily summary of your intake. Fujicate claims to be the only app that looks beyond the calorie to help you lose weight, but it's unclear how this app looks beyond the calorie, as this app appears to mainly focus on calories. If you're someone who just wants a very straightforward calorie counting app, then this is it. Strava. For those inclined towards social fitness networking, Strava takes the stage as a fitness-centric app. Tailored for athletes such as runners or cyclists, as well as individuals keen on sharing fitness journeys, Strava facilitates the tracking of physical exercises. Beyond simple activity tracking, it measures speed, heart rate, and elevation. A distinctive feature allows users to create and compare their performance on designated map segments. By subscribing to a paid plan, users unlock additional functionalities like route planning, challenges, and comprehensive training logs. MyFitnessPal. Closing the lineup is MyFitnessPal, a widely recognized and utilized app functioning as a calorie counter. Its core functionality involves helping users stay on track by meticulously counting daily calorie intake based on predefined goals. Integration across various devices streamlines the tracking of consumed food items. A standout feature is its extensive food database, allowing users to input details manually or scan barcodes for precise calorie measurements. To access advanced features such as recipes and guided fitness/nutrition plans, users can opt for the premium version. In essence, these 5 free health and fitness apps, Daily Yoga, Jeffit, Foodprint, Strava, and MyFitnessPal, offer a comprehensive approach to wellness, covering aspects from yoga and workout tracking to nutritional guidance and social fitness connections. If you found these recommendations helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content tailored to fuel your journey toward a healthier, more resilient you. Until next time, keep hustling and stay fit.